a system that we've been socialized to. Now, the reason why we're living it because of the reoccurrence of these bad things happening, repeating themselves over and over again. For some families, they in Igbo land, they destroy their ancestral places of worship because of the wrong perception that these altars and these places were solely responsible for the misfortunes and hardship that their families were encountering. Now, for some other people, they left the religious system they were socialized into because of the reoccurrence of bad things happening in their family. So it makes them to basically think maybe them being Christians is not good enough, and which Christians will basically try to interpret it as them losing faith or being swayed by the devil. But it's not it. It is just a natural way of seeing and thinking about things, because we perceive things. When things happen, we question. And sometimes it can drive us to a point that it is separate